Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make an easy ice cream cake. This simple method is perfect for any occasion and requires minimal effort. First, you will need to gather your ingredients, primarily 2 half-gallon containers of your favorite ice cream flavors. Also, select a 9 by 13-inch pan for building your delicious dessert. Remember to let your ice cream soften just a little bit, making it much easier to spread evenly. Now, let's create the delicious foundation for our cake. You will need to crush approximately 24 chocolate sandwich cookies until they form fine crumbs. Next, combine these cookie crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter, mixing them thoroughly. Press this mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of your 9 by 13-inch pan. Once the crust is formed, place it in the freezer for at least 15 minutes to ensure it sets properly. With our crust set, it is time for the star of the show, the ice cream layers. Take 1/2 gallon of your slightly softened ice cream and spread it evenly over the chilled cookie crust. Feel free to add a layer of your favorite toppings next, perhaps some hot fudge, caramel, or even crushed candies. Then, carefully spread the second 1/2 gallon of softened ice cream over your chosen toppings. Make sure to smooth the top layer for a beautiful, even finish. Almost there. Once your ice cream cake is fully assembled, place it back into the freezer. It needs to chill for at least 4 hours, but ideally, leave it overnight for the best results. Before serving, you can decorate it with whipped cream, colorful sprinkles, or chocolate shavings. When you are ready to cut, use a warm knife for clean, perfect slices. Now, gather your loved ones and enjoy your incredibly easy and delicious homemade ice cream cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.